What's up, guys? Today we are playing Tower of Hell, right? Because why not? It's a very hard game, and I love hard games. Ha! Whew! Oh, this doesn't seem too hard. I take that back. Looks harder now. Actually, this is not that bad. Why do people rage quit in this game? Because I was playing Tower of Hell earlier this day. And, they were all, rage quitting so badly. Ow! Mommy! I'm dead. Ow. Secret Agent 700. Ew. Ow. That should be your suspect. What is that creature? Ow. No, she's right in front of me. Yeah. No. Ow. I'm right next to her. What kind of thing is that? I'm out of here. Ugh. Oh no, she's chasing me. No! That was unexpected. Yes, she died. Veronica. I don't know what her name is. No. Vampirina. What? How do you say her name? Ow. Oof. Well, okay, yeah, I get why this game is so hard. You can't climb a ladder in this game. Come on, why is this ladder so long? Seed? What did she say? Speed. Someone made it to the top. The real penguin? It doesn't look like there's a penguin in my game. Oh my god. The clock is going 2 times faster now. Ooh. Oh my, jump 2 times as soon as you get on. Whee! Whoa. Ah! Okay. I have 76 of this stuff. Bunny hop. Makes everyone jump. Why not? Okay, I just made everyone jump, and I'm pretty sure it was a really good idea. I feel like everyone hates me now. I'm so sorry. Someone's like, wow. See? I'm actually kind of happy I did this. To be honest, it's kind of like torture to the people, but... Oh no, I made that dude fall all the way down. Okay, why did you do that? Someone spent Robux to make us jump. Yeah, it was 10 Robux. Who cares? Stop it. It was only 10 Robux. That's very cheap. What are you spending 40 million Robux on your dumb Roblox account? Let's fall down. Ooh! How did I not die? I'm a zombie. You're wasting your points away. Anyway. Why are they all against me? Are you against me? Are you against me? Yeah. Jeez. She's against me. She doesn't even know she's getting filmed. Stairs. I'm just kidding. Okay, good. She's not against me. You know you're getting fit. Ow! Oh my god. You're getting filmed on YouTube. Oh my god, this is hilarious. I was pranking you to put it on YouTube. Sorry, I was pranking you to put it on YouTube. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I feel so bad for her. Oh, okay. Oh no, she's down there. Oh no, someone just died right next to me. Whoa. Violent. Okay, this girl is a forgiving person. Wait, this. Ah! Imagine this in real life. Oof. Imagine. Okay. Imagine this in real life. Imagine this in real. Oh my god! Forget this. Ooh, mama, mommy, woo. Ah! Okay. So I'm so happy we literally like pranked someone. I feel so bad. But I should have just told her my YouTube channel and she could like check out this video for herself, but I didn't. Thank you guys for watching my video and see you guys in the next video if I even make one. Bye guys.